So this video contains 2 days of fishing. The first day is crappie fishing. I went out in heavy winds for a little while, and the bite wasn't great. So there's not a lot of catching. And the second part is me going to the local creek. And I did find some fish and a very interesting find. So please watch the video to find out what it is. We have fished very hard, and at least we didn't get skunked because we finally caught a crappie after like 2.5 hours of fishing. The other people here earlier did get skunked, and they had a 17.5-foot boat, not this little pile of crap that we have. So at least we did better than them. Anyways, we're gonna keep fishing for a little while longer, then head in. Crap on second fish of the night, little black. Not little, but like 9 inches. I'm not keeping them anyways, I don't really care. At least we got a second. So we're doing our keys to success for fishing when it's windy out. So we're not catching much and it's windy and we're blowing all over the place. So a key to success when it's windy out is you take your beer, and because you get rocked over, there's a very high probability your drink spills. Today we're having this sissy drink. I've never tried one. It's a Bud Light Seltzer Lemonade. So you pour your drink into something that is sealed so you don't spill your drink. But you don't pour it that aggressively so it's all fizzy. Got another crappie, not a giant. These are dinks tonight. They're better than nothing. We're using a bobber, a split shot, and a minnow on a number 6 app. And now, as long as that stays shut, it's not going to end up in the bottom. We're fishing, and in the crap hole we fish, and we got a crap. Cute little carpie. Here's what this spot looks like. We've fished this spot before. This is a good spot for turtles. And I've caught a variety of other species here. And the main creek is really dirty. The dam I fished over there was like really high and a lot of current. They changed it. And I wasn't getting anything there, so I came over here. Oh, and we're getting another bite. We got a fighter. We got another fish. This is a different species. I put on some dead nasty worms, and we caught ourselves an Iowa special. Yeah, this is a black bullhead, and of course it just swallowed it. Nice Iowa special. Fish on. Let's watch this sucker fight. Ooh, another carpie carp. Oh, we're still recording. That's not better yet. Another carp. Honk, honk. I don't know. I think I'm gonna get up and try fishing up by the little rapids up there, see if there's anything up there. About fishing, the best part about fishing here is this mud is like traps you. So like I'm stuck in the mud right here. We had this epic find right here. I don't know if this is actually, is this unopened? No, it's opened. So we found this bottle.